Hello friends, I am Ishant. Welcome to my channel BCM. So in this tutorial we will learn about anchor tag. Friends, before this also I have created two tutorials on anchor tag and this is the part 3 of anchor tag. Please do watch all the parts of anchor tag to understand it better. So in this tutorial we will learn how to move to different topics in the document. So let's do the practical. First, I will write anchor tag in the document and in href attribute, I will write at the rate. At the rate means a trial link. I will write HTML in the anchor tag. I will copy it and paste it below the anchor tag. I will write CSS instead of HTML. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see HTML and CSS written here on the web browser. So I will write br tag after the first anchor tag. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see CSS written below HTML. So now I will take a heading in the document and write anchor tag between it. I will remove the href attribute and write name attribute here. In name attribute, I will give a name to it such as HTML, or I can also give head1, and between the anchor tag I will write HTML. I will now take a paragraph in the document, write some text in it. I have written some text in the notepad. I will copy it and paste it in the document. Now I will take one more heading in the document and give anchor tag between it also. I will remove href attribute and write name attribute in the anchor tag. I will write head2 in the name attribute, and in anchor tag I will write CSS. I will take a paragraph in the document and write the same text in it. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see headings and paragraphs inserted on the web page. So now if you click on HTML button, it takes you to the unknown file and says that file not found because it is a trial link. So now if you want to study about HTML, you can scroll down to HTML, and if you want to study about CSS, you can also scroll down to CSS. But now you need to find the headings of CSS and HTML. To move directly to any of the paragraphs, I will write the class of the headings in anchor tag. I will copy the text in the name attribute and paste it in the href tag. You have to always give a hashtag and then the name of the heading in the href attribute. So now I have given the name of the headings in the href attribute. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see when I click on HTML, it takes me to the HTML heading, and when I click on CSS, it takes me to the CSS heading. But now we have to scroll up to move to the top. To move directly to the top from any paragraph, I will write anchor tag in the document, and in href tag I will write the name of the HTML button that we wrote earlier. So now I will move to the anchor tag of HTML and write name attribute in it. And in name attribute I will write HTML. And in this anchor tag I will write hashtag HTML, and I will write move to top in the anchor tag. So now when I save the document and refresh the browser, you can see move to top written here. I will write BR tag in the document to take it below the paragraph. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see move to top written below the paragraph. So now when you click on it, it takes us to the top of the website. Means it takes us to the HTML word. So now I will copy it and paste it after the CSS paragraph so that you can also move to the top from the CSS paragraph. So now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see when I move on CSS and click on move to top button, it takes me to the top of the web page. So friends, this was anchor tag. This much for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.